Your car guy. Today we're going to change the wiper blades on a 2008 BMW 128 convertible. The 1 Series should be pretty much the same. It uses 20-inch blades on both sides. If you use the B for beam, these are the Rain-X Expert Fit wipers that I've purchased. I really don't know that it matters which brand you purchase, but pretty simple wiper installation. You can flip up your wiper arm to get access. Then you'll see that you've got a tab here to release, and you've got these tabs at the back right here. Now these are probably not original blades here. They've been changed at some point. But what we've got to do is we've got to release this down underneath and push it down, and then we can just simply pull it off the back right there like that. Now we'll get out our new wiper blade and we'll put it on. Looking at our old blade versus our new blade, you'll see that this adapter that's on the new blade is gonna have to be changed out, probably to this adapter right here to match the BMW. So the way this will work is you'll lift up the back of this and then pull off this piece right here. With that piece off, now I can take and put in the adapter that's gonna work for my wipers. But I've got this little piece here that's going to go in first, and then this piece is going to go onto it to act for my wipers. You'll see that there are locks right down in here to where this is going to slide in at the front. I'll see if I can do this one-handed. Slide in here at the front and then snap down in at the back. That will put that piece on, and then you'll see that this piece can simply be inserted over the top and then pressed on using a little bit of just force. It helps if I line it up properly. Again, trying to do that one-handed. So just setting it on like that. Now, similar situation, I want to get my tab here into the front of the wiper blade. It's going to go underneath that right there to get that locked in. Then at the back, you'll see I've got those tabs that I can squeeze inside, and they're going to move up past these hooks right here, and that will lock this into place. Very simple, easy installation. You get your new wiper on. This is your car guy. Like and share the videos and subscribe to the channel.